Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download weather data for study area. There are two methods to download the study area. In first method we have to use global weather data for SWAT, this link to download the weather data, and on this link the weather data is available up to year 2014. If we required latest weather data, then we have to search for this website, that is second point, powerlarknasa.gov. So let's start. Search on Google global weather data for SWAT. So click on this. In first link, global weather data for SWAT, click on this. Okay, this website will give the weather data for 10 decimal degree latitude to 10 decimal degree longitude. Use Ctrl plus zoom to search your study area. So zoom in your study area. Now use this draw rectangle tool to locate your study area. Suppose my study area is Mahabaleshwar region. So click a rectangle which include your study area. Okay, now this selection is showing that one station is available for this study area. So drag below, you will get the record of weather data available. So record shows that weather data is available from 1979 up to 2014. So I need all this data. So I require this all data. So check this box. Select your time period for data. This data is available in SWAT file as well as CSV files. And put here your email address. Confirm email address. Okay. And submit a request. So our request is here processing. Wait. Okay, so our request is completed. Now there is a link to download the data, as well as same link is available with our email ID. From that we can download the weather data. So click here. Okay, so this weather data is downloading here. After downloading, cut that data and paste at our required folder. So I am pasting this data here. After that, extract this data. So just right click, extract the data. Okay, now in this folder we have this weather data. See here all 5 parameters are available. PCP, that is precipitation, RH relative humidity, solar radiation, TMP means temperature, and wind. So this P and this number is nothing but the number of rain gauge for precipitation, and similarly for all these parameters. While you add the weather data for SWAT model, you need this file, PCP file. Okay, so this file is we are going to update in SWAT model at the time of processing. So this is the first method to download weather data from global weather data site. This data is already available in required format as per the SWAT model. Now by second method, that is by using powerlark.nasa.gov website, let's see how to download weather data. For that purpose, so search on Google powerlark.nasa.gov and click here NASA Power. Scroll down and click here Power Data Access Viewer. Okay, so choose a user community, select here agroclimatology, then choose a temporal average daily. If you are having latitude and longitude of your study area, then put here, otherwise click on this point and select your study area and click on your study area. So here we will get the latitude and longitude of your study area. Now select time extent for which you need a weather data. From this website you will able to get the latest weather data. So put start and end date as per your requirement and select output file formats. Generally CSV format and ASCII format are useful, so select that. Now select the parameters. So generally we require meteorological parameters, so click on this: precipitation, relative humidity, then in temperature, maximum temperature at 2 meters, minimum temperature at 2 meter, then in wind speed at 2 meter. In solar radiation we require all sky insolations, and then submit. Okay, so from this website we will be getting the higher resolution data for 0.5 by 0.5 degree. So download the file. Both files are available, CSV as well as ASCII file. So download the both. So this is ASCII file format. In that we are having relative humidity RH at 2 meter, relative humidity at 2 meter, temperature max, temperature mean, wind, solar radiation, and this is precipitation. Okay, and this is Excel sheet or CSV file. So cut that file and paste at your required folder. So this power file will give the latest weather data. So in next video we will learn how to modify this power data which will be suitable in a SWOT format.